Yo, what's going on, guys? Today we will be doing shotguns only in a solos match. Here we go. Okay, now we're in the match. Let's get started. We fixed the laggy problem. If you were in the other day's video, the last video, you saw that it was super laggy. But this time we fixed it a little bit, but it's still pretty laggy. And as you heard from the intro, we are doing shotguns only, and you might have seen that we're doing shotguns only from the thumbnail from the video. And today when we are playing, like I said on the other last video, if you watched it again, you should probably go and check it out if you haven't seen this one. Or after you watch this one. But yeah, it was super laggy, and I said I would be explaining my gameplay and stuff. And the rules of this challenge is basically like just only shotguns and oh my gosh, it's so laggy. Yeah. And so I'm gonna like explain my game plan and stuff like that. Like what I'm trying to do right now is go up the stairs. I can pick up like minis and stuff, but the only like weapon I can use, I can pick up minis, all meds. I can pick up all meds. I can use all materials. The one thing I can't use is other guns. Like I can use like grenades. I'm gonna probably take those nades. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoops. Okay, so after this, we'll keep looking for guns. I mean, that's all I can do right now. Is look and look and look. Oh gosh. Oh no, why? I promise you guys this is lag. I think you guys can see it. I think. Medkit. Medkit, medkit. 1, 2, 3. Cannabis. Let me out of this. Let me in of there. I'm a chitty chit. You did not see me. You did not see me. You do not know where I am. I am nowhere to be found. You cannot see me. You do not expect a thing. Yep, see, you're confused. Yeah, leave. Leave me alone. That's right. I should run. Run. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Oh, I thought there was a opening right now. I can't find a single shotgun. Why is there no shotguns? I can't fight anybody. Is that a shotgun? Yes! Yeah, I think this saved me. I'm probably not gonna get any of them. Wait, what is this kind of pistol? Where's that guy? Just. Go for it. I'm gonna take this mini. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's so lag. It's not as laggy as before though, so that's good. Don't think that's a shotgun. No, it's not. Ugh. Should I carry multiple shotguns or should I just get one shotgun and then carry a lot of meds? I'm gonna carry a lot of meds. Hey, what do you guys prefer? Attack, lever action, or pump? What's your favorite of those three? Leave a comment down below if you with the answer. Run. What are you? I'm gonna get in the car and leave. I don't have any of them. Wow, I'm really good at this game, ain't I? And, you know, I just won't cross the bridge. I didn't get my driver's license, okay? Wish I'm already low on fuel. Please don't shoot me. I'm just trying to drive in peace. Wait, did you guys see that? That was a fish on land. What? Seriously, a fish on land. I'm about to run out of fuel. Get there. Oh, I'm in. I have no food practically. Alright, let me get my strats. Go strats.